Most men think power comes from what they do, but real power, it comes from what they choose not to do. You wake up one morning and something feels different. Not your body, not how you look, but the way you think, the way you move through the world. That's the hidden power of semen retention. And it doesn't come from testosterone. It comes from your mind. The first thing you notice is control. Most of life is reactive. Notifications, cravings, impulses. They pull you like a magnet, and you just follow. But when you say no, when you resist something your body expects, you prove something rare. I am not a passenger. I am the driver. It's 11 p.m. Your hand reaches for your phone. The familiar pattern starts. But this time, you pause. You close the app. You choose differently. That 3-second decision echoes into tomorrow. Because now you know. Cravings don't control you. Next, your attention clears. Think of your mind like a computer. Every open tab drains processing power. Sexual compulsion is a background app constantly running, planning it, thinking about it, acting on it. Close that app and suddenly you have bandwidth for everything else. Conversations feel richer, work feels engaging. You're not skimming your own life anymore. It's not superhuman power, it's presence. And in a world full of distraction, that feels extraordinary. Then comes self-respect. Every promise you keep to yourself builds trust. Most people break promises constantly. Hit snooze, skip workouts, abandon goals. Retention becomes a daily kept promise. Not moral superiority. Just the quiet dignity of doing what you said you would. Before, you'd set an alarm for 6 a.m., hit snooze, tell yourself, tomorrow. After, the alarm rings. You get up, not because you're superhuman, but because you've proven, in one hard area, that your word means something. That shifts everything. You start walking differently, believing in yourself differently. Humans are meaning-making machines. When you commit to something difficult, your brain asks, why am I doing this? And it answers, because I'm strong, committed, evolving. That story becomes your identity. Retention doesn't magically give purpose, but it gives a story your mind can believe in. You become the protagonist of self-mastery. But here's the catch. This feeling isn't a license to judge others. It's easy to think, I'm disciplined, they're weak. That's toxic. Real power isn't about being better than anyone. It's about being honest with yourself, understanding your impulses, sitting with discomfort, choosing awareness over escape. The moment you start preaching, you've lost the plot. This practice is a mirror, not a podium. So why does retention feel powerful before your body changes? Because real power is the mind reclaiming agency. It's proving you're not a slave to impulses. And that proof becomes quiet, internal confidence. If you're trying this, remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's awareness. Notice the urges. Sit with discomfort. Ask yourself why. And if you relapse, don't spiral into shame. That's just another form of escape. Get curious instead. The practice isn't about being perfect. It's about being awake.